everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing on FlexiFunnels purchase. So I'm an online course creator and using FlexiFunnels, I manage all my courses and ebooks. Here what I want is that as soon as by any of the customers, a new purchase is going to be done of any of the courses and ebooks that I'm selling in my business, I want to create that customer as subscriber in my Pabbly email marketing account. As using Pabbly email marketing, I manage the email marketing list of my business. Now, creating these subscribers manually after the new purchase is going to be done is going to be very time consuming. So what I've done is I've simply automated this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. And here in this automation, I'm going to build a connection between FlexiFunnels and Pabbly email marketing with the help of it. So if you also want to learn about this amazing automation process step by step, for that let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing on FlexiFunnels purchase. So as an online course creator, I use FlexiFunnels to sell my digital products such as courses and ebooks. And I also use Pabbly email marketing to manage my email campaigns, keeping my subscribers engaged with personalized content and course updates. The problem that I face is manually adding each customer from my FlexiFunnels account into my Pabbly email marketing list. The process is very time consuming and prone to errors. So to solve this, what I've done is I've simply automated this entire process. Now, whenever a new purchase is going to be done by the customer in FlexiFunnels, automatically that customer is going to be added as a subscriber in my Pabbly email marketing account in the list that I've created. And for creating this automation between these two applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to give it as Create a Subscriber in Pabbly Email Marketing on FlexiFunnels Purchase. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow, okay? After that, it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down. These are the folders from which I'm going to select Pabbly Email Marketing Automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving the name to the workflow and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on this Create button in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Create a Subscriber in Pabbly Email Marketing on FlexiFunnels Purchase, and there are two windows in front of you. One says Trigger, other says Action. So what is Trigger and Action? Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two concepts. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means what is our action? Action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first. And for the trigger application over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as FlexiFunnels. FlexiFunnels is an online platform that helps you to create and manage high converting sales funnels without needing any technical expertise. It's designed for businesses that can sell digital products, courses, memberships, and services online. With FlexiFunnels, you can easily create landing pages, sales pages, and checkout pages using a simple drag and drop builder. And with the help of FlexiFunnels, I am managing to sell all the online courses and ebooks for my business. Okay. Here, what I want is that as soon as a new purchase is going to be done by any of the customers using FlexiFunnels, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response of that. That is why for my trigger over here, I'm going to select it as FlexiFunnels. And for the trigger event, I'm going to select it as new purchase. As with the help of this event, whenever a new purchase is going to be done by the customer, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of that. Now, in order to do that, we need to create a connection between FlexiFunnels and Pabbly Connect. And for doing that, Pabbly Connect has provided us with the webhook URL. With the help of this unique webhook URL, we're going to build a connection between FlexiFunnels and Pabbly Connect by following the steps given here below in the help desk one by one. So what I'm going to do is, firstly, I'm going to copy this URL from here. After copying the URL, I'm going to connect my FlexiFunnels account to Pabbly Connect. For that, log into your FlexiFunnels account. So this is my FlexiFunnels account, you can see right over here. Now, firstly, what we have to do is we have to go to the product that we have created using FlexiFunnels, okay? So this is the product that I've created using FlexiFunnels in the name of programming in Python. And I want that as soon as the purchase of this product is going to be done by the customer using FlexiFunnels, I want Pabbly Connect should capture the response of that. For doing that, this is the product right over here. This is the edit page of this product. After coming to the edit page of this product, from the left side of the panel, it says set rules. I'm going to click on this option right here, okay? As I'm going to do that, I'm going to click on this set product rules right here, okay? After doing that, it is asking for when. For the when, I'm going to select it as product is purchased. So now whenever the product is going to be purchased for all pricing options, then what should happen is for the use, I'm going to select it as webhook right over here. As Pabbly Connect has provided us with a webhook URL, and we're going to create a connection between FlexiFunnels and Pabbly Connect using this URL. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it right over here, and in place of this URL field, I'm going to paste it right over here, okay? It is asking for the webhook name, you can see right over here. So for the webhook name over here, I'm going to give it as new purchase, okay? After giving the webhook name and the URL and entering all the details, I'm going to click on this save button. As you can see over here, a new webhook has been successfully added in my FlexiFunnels account. So as the webhook URL is successfully added to this product that I've created, I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down. Over here, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether FlexiFunnels is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I'm going to do is I am going to do the dummy purchase of this product that I've created using FlexiFunnels. And after doing the purchase, I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the test purchase being done or not. For doing the test purchase, this is the product that is created by FlexiFunnels. You can see right over here, this is the course in the name of programming in Python. And now what I want is that as soon as the purchase of this product is going to be done, Pabbly Connect should capture the response of that. So for doing that, we're going to do the test purchase of this product. For that, click on this buy now button right here. As I'm going to do that, it is asking for the customer's information. We're going to fill in the details. Firstly, it is asking for the first name. So the first name over here, I'm going to write it as Smart. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as customer01. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as smartcustomer01@pabblytudes.com. For the phone number over here, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. For the address over here, I'm going to write it as 123 New Street. Okay. For the city over here, I'm going to write it as Bhopal. For the state over here, I'm going to write it as Madhya Pradesh. For the country over here, I'm going to select it as India. This is the country I'm going to select it. And for the zip code over here, I'm going to write in a dummy zip code. Okay. It is asking for the item as programming for Python. This is the item that I want to purchase. Okay. It is asking for the pay by. This is the card. I'm going to fill in the dummy card details right here. So you can see I've filled in all the required details right over here. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to simply click on this complete order button right over here. Okay. As you can see, thank you, your purchase has now been done. The message comes over here. This means the purchase using FlexiFunnels has now been done. Okay, I've purchased the course. The test purchase has now been done. So now I'm going to open my workflow and scroll down. And yes, you can see right over here, Pabbly Connect has captured the response of the test purchase being done. For the zip code right over here, state as Madhya Pradesh. You can see transaction ID. The ID is right here. Okay. For the product title comes as programming for Python. We have purchased this product right away. We've received the product ID. The price was $499. This was the dummy mobile number of the customer. First name of the customer is Smart. Last name is customer01. Email is smartcustomer01@pabblytudes.com. Currency as INR, that is Indian rupees. Country as IN, that is India. City as Bhopal, and address as 123 New Street. Okay. As the response of the new purchase being done using FlexiFunnels has been captured, this means that a trigger setup has now been done. Now, whenever a new purchase is going to be done by the customers while they're going to purchase any of the courses that I'm selling using FlexiFunnels, automatically in the similar manner, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of that in our trigger. Now, as the trigger setup is done, we need to set up our action step. Here, my objective is that as soon as a new purchase is going to be done using FlexiFunnels by the customers, I want to add that customer as subscriber in my Pabbly email marketing account. Now, for doing that, we're going to set up our action step. And for the action application over here, I'm going to select it as Pabbly email marketing. As with the help of Pabbly email marketing, I manage the email marketing of my business. And I want to create the subscribers in this list that I've created in a Pabbly email marketing account in the name of marketing campaign. Okay. That is why for the action application, I've selected it as Pabbly email marketing. For the action event, I'm going to select it as add subscribers. Okay. And then I'm going to click on this connect button.
A window is going to appear in front of you on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After that, it is asking for the token. With the help of this token, we are going to build a connection between Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Email Marketing. Now, from where we're going to have this token, further click on this developer API hyperlink right over here. As I'm going to do that, you will land towards the developer API page of your Pabbly email marketing account, and this is the token that Pabbly Connect is asking for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply copy this token from here and paste it right over here. And then I'm going to click on the save button. As I've done that, you can see Pabbly email marketing has now been successfully connected to Pabbly Connect. After connecting, it is asking for us to select the list in which we want to create a subscribers in. For the list over here, I've created a list in the name of marketing campaign. So for the list over here from the drop down, I'm going to select it as marketing campaign. Okay. After that, it is asking for the email and the name of our subscribers that we want to create. So for the data of these fields, what we're going to do is we're going to map the data. What is mapping? Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. How mapping works is that as soon as I'm going to click on this field, this was the previous step, that is FlexiFunnels new purchase. As I'm going to click on it, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. It is asking for the email of our subscriber. So as I want to create this customer, I've done the purchase using FlexiFunnels as subscriber in my Pabbly email marketing account. So what I'm going to do is from my previous response, I'm going to search for the email of my customer. So you can see this is the email of my customer right over, and as I want to create this customer as subscriber, so for the data of this email, I'm going to select the data from my previous response. As I've selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped. And as I map the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this map data. Okay. Similarly, for the name, I'm going to map the data of the name that I've received, first name, space the last name. Okay. After entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. As I've done that, over here the status comes as success, which is a positive response. So now I'm going to open a Pabbly email marketing account and the marketing list that I've created, and I'm going to check whether a subscriber has been added in that list or not. For that, I'm going to open my list that I've created in my Pabbly email marketing account. This is the list. I'm going to refresh this page from here. As I've refreshed the page, you can see right away a new subscriber has been added in my Pabbly email marketing account in the name of smartcustomer01@pabblytudes.com, and name comes over here as smartcustomer01. As the subscriber has been successfully added in my Pabbly email marketing account, this means that we have successfully created an automation between FlexiFunnels and Pabbly email marketing with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum till now what we have done, I'm an online course creator, and using FlexiFunnels, I have created different courses. Over here, I've set up my trigger, and for the trigger application, I've selected as FlexiFunnels, and the trigger event is new purchase. As whenever by the customer, new purchase is going to be done using FlexiFunnels as they're going to purchase any of my courses, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of that. And for the action over here, I've taken it as Pabbly email marketing and action event as add subscribers. As the customer have done the purchase using FlexiFunnels, I wanted that customer to be added as subscriber in my Pabbly email marketing account. So that's why I've set up this action step right over here. Okay. And for that, I've built a connection between these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can check the queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.